I'm not going to lie, guys. I don't know what this hairstyle is called. I'm just trying to recreate this hairstyle I saw on Pinterest. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Glo-Mary and I talk about everything beauty. If you are a beauty enthusiast, you can stay here. This is where you belong. To create this hairstyle, I'll be needing this sponge-like bun and a piece of series by X-Pression. I'll be needing some accessories. So let's get started. So I'll put this sponge and the series together. It's not inside the series, it's just like at the back. And I'll be securing it with this rubber band that I got, just small rubber band for babies. So I'll be putting it in 3 places just to form that, you know, 3 bubbles that is on the hair. Yeah, this is what we are trying to achieve. Now we'll proceed to the next thing. I need to cornrow my hair. See, the front of my hair has suffered in this life because I just feel like every style I want to make like this, something has to just start from the front. Hey, God, I beg. Anyways, I noticed that the hairstyle has like a V shape. So after I'm done with this straight shape, I'm going to achieve that. Guys, it's not easy to part your hair. I'm not even joking. If you're making your hair by yourself, forget what you see on social media. It's not easy to part your hair by yourself, right? So yeah, this is the V shape that I'm talking about. It's also cut into the back that I'm going to be packing. So I'm trying to get it to be straight. I think I'm talking too much. Let me just keep quiet and allow you people to watch it. Why you guys are enjoying this video? Are you guys seeing my face? Did you see that this my acne is not going? It's just getting like maybe times 20 every day. You guys, I don't know what to do again. No, I've stopped any form of skincare for now. Like it's been like 3 or 6 months since I've stopped skincare because I was just tired. I stopped creaming my face or anything. I'm only using that joy exfoliating soap for my face and my body. Not even creaming my body stuff since I cannot find the original lemon fresh lotion around me. Don't mind me, oh. I'm just ranting to you people. ah. So anyway, I have to do this cornrow, and I will be adding just a little bit of that series just to make that front look thicker because I feel like that part of my hair is kind of fine and I just want it to be thick and also for the length to reach my neck because that is what it looks like in the style that we are trying to achieve. Yeah. 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 You don't think this is weird, right? You spray your hair with water if before you comb it. I mean, this works for me all the time. It keeps my hair from breakage, and I will not stop emphasizing the fact that you have to do this if you don't have leave-in conditioner. Okay, so I'll be putting my hair into two buns. And sorry, is it bun or buns? Anyhow, two buns, and yeah, just like this. Also, because I'm trying to avoid using gel, I tend to style my hair a lot because of content creation. So I avoid using gel all the time so as to avoid dehydration. So I use water and just that oil sheen to just make my hair sleek. And so I'll be using this bobby pin to secure. You remember this, right? At the top of this one, just to give us that point like look. Oh god, I didn't expect this to turn out so well. I love the look, but don't let me give you spoiler. Let's just continue what we are doing. And yeah, it is time to accessorize. Go ahead. The power of accessory, I've not been exploring it, and I think it's high time I started to explore it, honestly. Look at it, will just change the whole vibe, the whole look. Like, oh my god. So I'm using this bead, and then I'll just wrap it, uh more like I'm trying to tie it though. Yeah, nothing special, just threading it, and then I'll tie it just to make it stay. And yes, if you are new here, we do this thing in every of our long form video where we share a Bible verse to encourage ourselves. So guys, here is the verse of the day. And here is the final look. Did you see that? And so guys, I'm trying to do this experiment. Which of these lip do you think suits this hairstyle better, the red lip or the nude lip? I don't know which one to go for, because if I am to go to any event right now and I want to rock this look, I'll be torn between red and nude lip. Let me know in the comment section what you think, and don't you think this video deserves a like from you, darling? And as usual, I will make sure that I see you in my next one.